Good evening, everyone. David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Tehran, Iran, with my friend Mr. Taster.
Hey guys, welcome to Darband.
So what's Darband?
Yeah, Darband is a walking street area. It's exactly near Tehran, and you can go to the mountains, having foods, street foods, and lots of restaurants. And the weather is really cool, isn't it?
The weather is perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect.
It was pretty hot. It was May 28th today, right?
Yeah.
It's entering
28.
summer.
Yeah.
It's cool here. This is a hill, right? So you're walking up the hill, and on the left and the right, you see so many different vendors. We have popcorn, we have sweets, we have souvenirs, we have restaurants.
Fruit leathers.
Fruit leathers.
Yeah, look at that.
What?
It's amazing. Fruit leathers. These are fruit leathers.
Okay, so what is fruit leather? I mean, it's just basically like almost like caramelized fruits.
Yeah. Look at that. We call it lavash. You can see pomegranate in there, lots of fruits in there. You can choose which one you want.
My friend, I'll try one. Let me try something.
My friend, خیلی هم آدم is so generous. He gave us fruit leather already.
Oh yeah, that one.
Sherry.
Good. It's so good. It's super sweet. It's like leather, right? Very rubbery.
Yeah.
But it's so delicious.
And it's sour as well. And when we were going to the school, we were buying it from the supermarket.
I mean, it's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow. So many different flavors, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try another one. Have to. We're gonna tip him. Don't worry, guys. We're tipping him.
Aloo. It's so sour.
That one?
That one.
Let's try it.
Aloo.
Oh, that was the best one.
Is it the best one?
The best one. Wow. It's super sour though.
I said gave him the most sourest one.
Which one's that one? Take another berry. I guess I'll try it. Good. It was good, but not enough meat on this one. I like the sourest one the most. That one's the best. Yeah.
This one?
They're all good though. Wow, it's infinite here. So you have popcorn here?
No, corn. It's corn.
And just
Sweet corn, I think.
Yeah, it's like corn on the cob, right?
Yeah.
It's just roasted corn.
Yeah. It's going to make it a special one.
What is he doing? He's putting it into a box? Whoa. What is this? I've never seen this before in my life.
Yeah.
What is that? I mean, it's a little inferno right there. Was that water or was that ghee or something?
So it's water and salt. Yeah.
Water and salt. Oh, now he threw salt on top. Whoa. This is like ancient, man. And it's so hot, you can't even be near it, man. It's like too hot. Just so you guys know, this isn't a pedestrian-only street. Cars do pass through here, so be careful.
Yeah.
That was a long selfie.
oh yeah, wow.
You didn't even take it? I'll take it for you guys. Is it?
You see, my fans are with Porsche, Mercedes.
He's being too humble, Ooh. That's piping hot. It's gonna taste different, huh?
Yeah.
So after he roasted the corn in that oven, pulled it out, put butter, and then he's adding salt.
Have a bite.
Oh, it's hot. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh, it's the best roasted corn ever.
This is a rat.
It's big corn. Nice and salty too. Oh, I love it. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I
love it. So buttery, so salty. I'm going ham on this thing. Oh yeah. I had no idea corn was going to be this good, right? Wow.
I loved it.
I love it too, man. Ali and I can't stop here.
Oh, good.
I love corn. There's no good properties in this thing, but it's okay.
Can I tell you some more? قربونت برم.
How much was it?
سلام شما خوبین؟ خسته نباشید. شب شما بخیر.
Doesn't stop, huh?
Really something.
I'll tell you guys, that was the tastiest corn I've had in my life. I don't know what they did in that oven, but wow, it's so good. I don't even know. It was like so buttery and salty and smoky at the same time. What an incredible corn. Corn on the cob, right here. You have to try it. Now this place is coming alive. Oh my God, this guy has like a billion masks. Oh man, you scared me, man. That's scary. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Can I even breathe? Yeah. Can't even see it here. Woo! Oh my gosh. Scary, huh? Where does he go? Where'd he go? Oh my God. I can't even breathe. Dude, I can't breathe in this. I'm okay. What is he doing to me? Oh my God, he's pushing me. What is he doing? I look like the Mr. Taster. Without the... Merci.
Thank you.
No, I'm okay. You scared me, dude.
Yeah, very interesting.
Very aggressive. Oh, there's Mr. Taster?
Yeah.
And what is this? This is like spicy what? What is that?
These are broad beans.
It's just beans.
Yeah.
Like green beans.
This is broad beans.
You're gonna put spice on it?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
This is not the way, man.
Right, man?
You can pick it up one by one. Yeah.
It's spicy. That's paprika, that's some spicy paprika. Woo! It was good.
The red pepper.
I mean, they were really, really chunky. That's phenomenal. Wow. Let's go. I mean, it doesn't end. Look at this. Wow. So we're seeing a lot of the same, right? Oh, they have it right here?
Yeah.
Yes.
You're lucky.
Yes. So we have kidney, liver. What else we got?
So heart, liver, and kidney. And fat. Would you like to try all of them?
Let's try them all. I'm literally in the smoke. Oh, I love that. Oh, charcoal. So good. Oh, it's popping.
Finally we found it. He was so disappointed. You could see from his face. But we've got kidney,
I was disappointed, guys.
heart, and liver, and fat.
And fat. Yes.
We're gonna have good finish.
All right, my turn. Yeah. Look at that. Give me that smoke. Now twist them all, turn them all. I try my best, dude. You know what? I'm not a chef. I'm only an eater.
Yeah, make the fat on top.
Oh, the fat on top? That's good. My friend, food's ready. Oh, with some lavash. Oh, wow, amazing. Let's do this. Yeah, I'm ready.
So, what we've got here, I think this one is kidney. Would you like to try it?
I love kidney.
Okay.
So just grab a piece.
Go for it.
Like that. I love kidney. You have a lot of the iron, right?
Yeah.
With the lavash.
Cheers.
Cheers. Lightly salted.
Amazing.
So tender. Dude, he did it perfectly.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Next one.
Next one. What do you think? Fat? Or what do you want to go with? There's a lot of fat here.
Let's go for liver.
Liver?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yes.
Would you like to try fat with it or?
Fat with it?
Yeah.
I guess.
That's gonna be good.
This is gonna be amazing. What? That much more? Here, put this on the bottom.
Wow.
Wow. I know. Kidney?
Wow. I like the combination.
Combination is amazing.
Fat is coming with them. Liver making it more.
So juicy.
Do you want some drink?
Yeah, just water for me. Water. Thank you.
Okay, یه کوکا به من بده. I'm looking for the heart.
The heart. Which is the heart?
I think no, that's kidney. No, that was liver actually. I think that's heart.
This heart?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the way he cut it, right?
Yeah.
You can't even. It's like stuck.
Try this one.
Which is this one? Ooh. Oh.
Amazing.
Amazing.
خب اون دو تا رو
Oh my gosh, guys.
جلو.
I'm in love here. It's too much good stuff. I'm gonna go with the fat now. Get a piece of fat right here, just fat alone.
Show you something special.
Show me.
Do like that.
All of it?
Wow.
Just gonna put another one in it. Mr. Taster, the wild man. Oh, yes. Oh, man, it's like a incredible like shawarma of of organs.
I love it.
Dude, the juices are like flowing out of the lavash.
Yeah. Look at my hand. Wow.
For me?
For you.
Make me another one, dude. Give me like 3 different ones. Oh yeah, this is what you should need to do. Yeah, yeah.
This is for you.
Oh, for me?
Yeah.
Dude, everything's in here?
Yes. Everything.
Everything.
Absolutely everything. This is for Ali.
Oh my gosh. This is unreal. Dude, the fat, the kidney,
Yeah.
the liver, the heart. Let's do it. Just don't poke my eye out. I know I shoved it in my mouth, guys, but you need all the flavor, the juices, the lime with the bread. Oh, and get some of that fat right on top.
Yeah. Exactly.
There's an animal here.
It's good.
It's so special, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You loved it.
I loved
Ali
it.
abi. Beer.
Let's keep poking things here.
For you.
More?
More.
Oh my gosh.
One more. I'm full man.
I'm full too. But for organs, and this is Persia.
Yeah.
This is real Persian organs.
It is. One more.
No, it's you, man. I'm done. That was a lot of food. Well, maybe one more fat. Phenomenal, huh?
Yeah. Perfect night.
So what's the total price?
It's 600,000. Charge $20. $20.
$20? I think it's a great deal for all the organs we ate.
Yeah. For us.
I mean, that's a lot. We overate here.
Yeah.
And we haven't been charged by anybody else. Everybody else comped us.
Yeah.
Crazy, crazy. So what's next?
Next, going home. No, there are 2 restaurants. I want just to show you from outside.
Oh.
Nice food. They got really nice food here.
Beautiful. These are them. They look like a huge building. I mean, they're amazing, right? And
Yeah, it's Kufaya restaurant. It's really nice.
beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, this is where the street ends, huh?
Yeah.
So that's why there's so many cars coming up, because they come and park here.
Yeah, they come and park here, and they can walk either to go to the mountains, or they can come and sit here and have dinner and lunch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I think we're done. Head
Yeah,
back down.
we're done.
Okay.
Good night. I'm going home. No.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of Darband.
Yeah.
Darband.
Yeah.
Amazing spot. So it's a nice strip going up a mountain, right? From here you can go up to the funicular. You can come to restaurants. You can eat street food. It's an amazing spot.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I love it so much.
Thank you.
Love the organs.
See you in the morning.
You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment below. It's kind of me to him. He gets stopped every second. Every second with this guy is like a non-stop. Look at this. What's happening here?